Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick edit comparison review between these two email tools, which is Sanebox and Superhuman. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Sanebox and Superhuman in 2025 is really about simplicity versus speed. Sanebox integrates with your existing email and quickly organize it by importance, moving distraction into folder like send later while giving you snooze, reminder, and easy unsubscribes. It can lightweight, works with any email provider, and doesn't force you into a new app. The downside is you don't get flashy interface, and advanced features can add up in cost. Superhuman, on the other hand, is full premium email client built for speed. It's famous for lightning fast search, advanced keyboard shortcut, follow-up, snippet, and a split inbox, helping heavy email users provide through their inbox quickly. The catch is its high price and the fact that you must switch to their platform, which is not ideal if you love your current email setup. So in short, Sanebox is best for smart filtering without change, while Superhuman is best for those who want the fastest, most powerful inbox experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.